Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft PowerPoint application course. We will continue with the slide design show transitions and animations topic, and in this particular video we will be focusing on adding timing to your transition effect. In the last video we added some transition effect. In this video we can show how you can do some automation, a little automation to it. So let's pull up our presentation, and if you remember, the stars here shows the slides which have transitions added. So if I go to the slide, under transitions menu, instead of choosing another transition type, I will simply go to timing, and then a number of things I can do here. So for the sound, I can choose a sound. When I go to this slide 2, then I should hear that sound. So let's say we want to hear something like a breeze. Okay, and let's preview something like that. And here you can set the duration, the length of transition. Let's say preview, or let's increase it, see whether it stays for longer. Okay, so we can put it to a lower value, and I will come to this because this is the last thing you want to do. So you can either leave this so that the transition is only, the timing is only applicable to the slide 2, but the moment you click apply to all, it means whatever you've done here will apply to all slides in your presentation. So let's leave that for now. An advanced slide here tells you, well, as I go from one slide to another, I want to be able to control my movement. For some people, they like to do it at their pace, just on clicking the mouse. Then you go from slide 1 to slide 2 during your presentation to the audience. For some people, they would prefer to automate it if they know for sure how long it takes to explain a particular slide. So first we will keep it on mouse click. That means manually control it yourself, and let's see what happens when you apply this to all. So you apply it and you preview. Okay, now let's see whether we can find something else. So that's a camera sound. So in order to see how this works, okay, because we apply the transition timing and everything to all slides, so you see slide 1 also has that effect. So we go to slide 1 and let's click the button here to start the show, and we see what happens. So this is slide 1. If I want to go to slide 2, I will click the mouse. So this is my mouse, and it goes to slide 2, and then I can click the mouse again, go to slide 3. So, and that's how you do it. So if I want to exit the show without finishing it, I will right click and I will say end show, and then I can come back here. So what we can do is go back. You notice that by clicking apply to all, we've also applied the wind transition type to everything. So we can change a few of them again by saying this is prestige, and go to slide 4 and we say fracture, and go to slide 5 and we say crush. Okay, and we can try it one more time again. So click again. So now you see the transition is different. Click again and you can see. Good, and we can end the show at this point. So right click and end show. Good. So that's the way to apply timing. So one more thing we can do is just try the automated part by saying we want to control the timing. So after, I think after 5 seconds, it should go from one slide to another without us clicking the mouse. So this time I will not be clicking the mouse. I will go to slide 1 and I will start the presentation with this. Now I'm not holding my mouse. It should just go in 5 seconds. Okay, nothing is happening. I don't hear anything happening, so something is not going properly. So I will click again, wait for it, 5 seconds, nothing happens, and I will end the show and redo this. End show, and oh, so maybe because we didn't apply to all. So let's go back, let's put it to 3 seconds or 5 seconds, and let's click apply all. So we do that to apply all. Yeah, the downside is everything gets the same transition, right? But just for the purpose of practicing this, let's keep it at 5, apply all, and let's go to start from beginning, show, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, then it's a little bit more than 5 seconds, but I'm not clicking myself, and it's just automatically going on its own. And that's what you see happening. But to set the timing, you must be sure that you understand, how much time it takes before you go to the next slide. So we will stop it by right-clicking, try to right-click and end the show. So this is how you apply timing and automation in a way to your transition. So this brings us to the end of this particular video. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.